I found these 3 embroidery hoops from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to spray them in my metallic by Rust-Oleum. I'm really starting to love this paint. It goes on very nicely, it dries nicely, and I did both sides of these hoops. I'm going to open up my hoops. You are going to see a little bit of the old color, but that's going to get hidden. I found this stocking, this red ticking at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut it down the seams. And you're going to take your hoop and you're going to place it on the ticking or on the material. The top part on the top and the bottom part on the bottom, and you're going to close it. And then you're going to cut it with pinking shears to remove the excess material from the back. I found this black ticking also from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut it as I did the first and do the same thing with another hoop. I'm going to place the bottom on the bottom, the top on the top, and then you close it. Then you're going to take your pinking shears and cut off all the excess material. I did this on all 3 hoops. The third hoop, I took a sack that I had picked up from the Dollar Tree. I believe this came in a set of several, and they had an image on the front, and I did the same thing, just put the image in the hoop, closed it, and then cut the excess material. So you really can use any material that you can find. I really love the red ticking and the black ticking from the Dollar Tree. And now you can really decorate these however you choose. I had found these letters, these words, hope, joy, and believe at Dollar General for $1, and I took off the stem that they came on. They are metal. I took this greenery pipe cleaner and wrapped it around the top portion. These are very easy to work with because they just twist however you'd like them to go. Just had that little greenery around the top and then added a berry. And then I used E6000 and a little bit of hot glue to adhere each word to each hoop. So this one's joy. We had hope. And believe. And then you're just going to add a hanger to each one, and now you have some Christmas ornaments, or you can use them as a tag on your gifts. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.